Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to wax your vehicle. Since your vehicle is one of the biggest investments you make, keeping it clean inside and out will help it last longer, look better, and hold its value over time. Plus, when your car looks good, you look good. Be sure to check out our videos on how to clean your interior and how to wash your vehicle, as well as how to clean your windshield inside and out. It's recommended you wax your vehicle 3 to 4 times a year. When you do, you'll have 3 basic choices: paste, liquid, or spray. Spray wax is more of a temporary solution. It doesn't provide the same kind of protection that paste or liquid wax do. Paste and liquid wax offer similar protection, but some find that liquid wax is easier to work with. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. But if you are, get your supplies together and let's get started. Make sure your vehicle is already completely cool, clean and dry, and find a spot that isn't in direct sunlight. Use an applicator pad to apply the thinnest possible coat of wax to a single panel. Wait a few minutes for the wax to dry to a haze, then use a microfiber towel to buff it out. Also, keeping a spray wax and clean microfiber towel in your vehicle allows you to maintain its appearance between washes. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see all the latest, and we'll see you again soon.